year 1 year magi BC anoba ma hapaktibo mana paira legedamne do oza hojiki professor simagi tam ahum do loisalaga not exceeding agi type to the toroga lokthokraga hojiki bureaucrat amu hapchalaga ni hoji bhau officer lagte hai aina hoja ngang e hangubada ko sida tale basije regular faculty regular staff magi official autonomous to lairaga di irai jana irin na tawgadamni angangi career mangale University की autonomy जो मांग ले इसा मकसद हो जाने हैं हाइज़ ने 30+ years I work National University the work तो उन्हें सी की port सी की culture सी दी मिगी हाने की conceptualization use सी का हुदोरक पुदा low की बा position use University अब जे करी नो है बगी मागी function and role मागी autonomy के दो वही थम्दोई नो का इन तौर ई बगी concept लोइन थुगाए रमने बसे खुद थिंजला का थबक खापरोम द गाउरिंग है सोना का अंगांगी career लोइन गांग mang cha do se mang time thaja draga hayeng press amukta hangbiyo ba chala chara helibe icha singdu da third semester su pekha tawde fourth su tawde loire QET ki exam di thaja lorga 6th semester undergraduate su tawde adu university ma sahi tari muk sujala ka dore ek pass taw ki bedi regular staff ajana yaw da bi magi regular office ke major crucial office administration ki ke yaw da mta haptan lecha masi Lepak mayam chandra masih amutang yang jan. Tahu kena ngang hum tok tu bawa ngang usia amarum tu yang ikai, ekoi tu yang ikai je. Koi tu pupa tu betul semua ngang bayam tuin tahu. Ai nai ni semua tak ada tu itu tangguh Luga state government mutaka dauni luga migi joint monitoring to the group gari ground root fugai na thaga kibra ina hangada basu papu adu basu pi de high rogana sigze rules e putho na center na tagodam te state na tagodam rule ni khanga kana na mo marai gi type ta cookie gi group am su yauri center su yaurga kamai recommendation piraka do no adu bomo gi legal advisor lemne breach of contract ka wi Kaigumba adai the moina ground rule sugai re na stanga luraba adu recommendation jo pi or after the phone na gat lega press conference or ga haiga da baneba akoi sigi breach of contract se ground rule sugai re bo the moina recommendation pi o ya de moi ani sine ya da na adu na koi state government se yaw ma thau ta de na gat le na taw da me hujik taw ri su withdrawal na te moina withdrawal ba tam ba la ni lapse taw ni se there is a difference between withdrawal and lapse renew taw da bagi lapse taw gi baneba Withdrawal to the eight to magi in force laying the lock to do withdrawal higher than me. Sige, and a sequel to us one at the late than a long mummy at the gate Nahan career Kogi Congress manifesto the ITLF na high the Amarum Forum. The ITLF has accepted the condition of the Congress manifesto. Congress manifesto the high the Manipuri Miyam the Yadaba. The Tauroi have indication the clearly irreneverse. Sigi political or administrative settlement high adusu separate administration and hatahali. See any form of settlement will be in a wise scenario do administrative and political settlement high video do kamaina halino moina separate administration and halido BJP guys linger party ni world largest ni lawyer de ke koi try to dikhang ko moi headquarter da di mai aring supreme court ke yaw ni moi de mamai ngangam ngane ba manipur ki unit sili taw ju kari mo Karmai Atha Halin Siboy. Aduga Aduda Sumo Kari Kunjale Haga satisfactory to all the people of Manipur and Palina, the state of Manipur. Adumoin Hive, all the people, the Nagaland people, the India people, the state of Manipur people as a Manipur recognized out in the Park Miam Haidana state as the Miam Yagoya Ponte territory, Yagoya Ponteva. I think it's the state of the lady, but Miam do not Loina Mok satisfied with the Portakashu. Any solution like this is satisfactory to all the people of Manipur should be recognized, the will of the people of the state of the Manipur should be recognized. Democracy da Miyangi Ganata the Miyangi will, Miyangi power, Mogi Apama, Mogi Puning Apama, Dugi, Mayukata, we are Harima Miam Sikano, Manipuri Miam, the Suzuki Manifesto Yaurinever. The people of the state of Manipur and Yaurinever. And the Manipuri Miam the Yaba. Tabak Togani Haina Congress manifesto the Yard, the Manipuri Miam the Yadaba say Akwegi, Maite have fruits in the yard and a color of fruit ABC in the yard, which you are the Wadu. Separate them session in the Toeta Hanjali, aduga hata piga doramni na haire hujik the ITL must work under the condition of manifesto of the Congress means they must accept that any resolution of the crisis must be satisfactory to all the people of the state. That means including Maitais, including Pangals and others communities. So they have accepted by supplying that memorandum to the Congress party saying that Congress ki the yaw manifesto ki terms are high terms that is satisfactory to all the people of the state. Adu accept only we welcome. We will to adu high that kana na bu hanbirai ba athanu hong the separate administration high. Yaw you want to political and administrative solution settlement high separate administration high. It could be any other form which should be agreeable to the people of the state. And high level what do paying to ring only. The season moved out racing over not exceeding 3 years kind of hapcha laga ngasagi BC regulars in October initiative hapcha laga siman guys that have a happy extra amalo kaido bogi no maming declare to no selection gi oda khanba singdo adu moksho mu offer letter fajan na tol ba sigi china ba amot pese masi ai khoi gi thong ne ba hojik assembly su ngasi kawre 31st ko honorable MLA location su yawi ko mana lo gu mo de su khara